Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to insert the SIM in this device. So you can see the SIM tray is at the bottom of this device. Let me show you. You can see, so here is the SIM tray. So first of all we need to eject the SIM tray. For this, with the help of SIM ejecting tool, we can easily eject the SIM tray. This is the SIM ejecting tool. So here I am going to put one SIM here. So let me show you how to eject the SIM tray. So we need to put the SIM ejecting tool to this hole and tightly press it. Now you can see the SIM tray is ejected. Now just pull the tray like this. Now we successfully eject the SIM tray. So this is for the SIM 1 and here you can see this is for the SIM 2. So here I am going to put the SIM on the SIM 1 port like this. Okay, now put the tray back like this. You can see we need to put the SIM tray back, this one, and press it. Just wait for a few seconds. The device will detect the SIM. Okay, so go to settings. So here you can see the option connections. Tap on this one, tap on SIM manager. You can see SIM on the SIM 1. You can see the device is detected the SIM. So simply in this way you can insert the SIM in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.